Hey,
Want some music, Jefe? Something to celebrate the extract.
Switch to the news channel, Jackie. There'll be time for music when we're back.
Yes, Commander. Probably just another perky shit on TV.
As tensions continue to rise between Nueva Caracas and the rare earth Los Nidos mines up in north.
Tensions.
Crime Lord
That's an
Angel
understatement.
and his termites gang are believed to be behind today's attack.
Well, look. Who'd have thought?
Once again, we see that Angel Aguirre is a terrorist. Pure and simple. We are petitioning the network to take steps against him and his illegal regime in the north, and take back control of our mines. There is no Los Nidos, only North Nuevo.
It's the same every
land
time.
that has been taken from us by perverted bandits.
Wanna roll with the best? Number
Hey,
one
the clock is
in
ticking.
Nuevo Caracas,
So stop watching that shit and
number
get
one
over here.
in the world.
And let me tell you that fancy haircuts and TV ads is not the life of a PMC. You take contracts, you do the job well, you rise up in the leaderboards, you get better contracts. Simple. Got it? Here, the PMC's hub terminal. It's a dedicated network that provides secure comms to the main base and our clients. You want to roll with us? Learn how to use it. Damn it, piece of shit. Okay, you make it work, Nevera. Got that? On-time takeoff. Hit it.
she's dying, Senor Sanchez. She doesn't want to fly. Damn it, Manny. I just dismantled that filter.
Oh, we got ourselves a comedian. Now, if she isn't intact, you'll carry her to the point.
Think I'll go to jail tomorrow, just in case. I agree. Let me know if there's an inexpensive.
A new contract has been confirmed. Downloading data.
On your first try. Not bad.
This video contains set of materials from scavengers.
Quiet,
PhD
Jackie.
hack.
It's about to start.
Look at them. Scavengers think they can touch us with their sand muskets. Shit. They fucking got us. We're going down. Mayday. This is RFC Halley Limo. Designation Hotel Mike 29er. We're going down. Repeat, we're going down in active zone. Quadrant Lima 46. Posting an emergency extract contract to closest available PMC unit.
That's a Tachyon 6, a billionaire's favorite skyboat. What's it doing all the way out in the zone?
Who fucking cares? If they're driving that, they're gonna pay damn well, eh, Jefe? Stakes all round.
Well, let's go get them, whoever they are. Jungle's calling. Manny!
Got it, Jefe.
And most important, not to forget your trusty sword, Jefe.
The carriage awaits.
luck. The sun's come out. We've got a juicy fat cat contract. Fresh blood to help us. Easy money. Even you aren't going to bring me down today, Manny.
Have it your way. Approaching.
They're pinned down. Get us close. Manny, that's an EMP mortar. Manny! Manny! Manny, down. Prepare to disembark. We approach from below. 2 teams. Rope up, now! You fast rope before, right? Go, go!
That was one shaky ride. Use a medkit to get back to shape.
Mission objective is changed.
I'll go find Jackie. We'll catch up later.
Attention! Grenade! System failure. Capabilities are restored. Activating protection protocol. Regeneration complete. Mission hazard. Grenade.
Don't let a single cachorro get away. You put them out, they're going to cover.
One enemy less.
Gotta give these guys some credit. Even though they live in this dump of raw people, they sure know how to terrorize some amazing stuff. I'm sure you've already had a chance to meet their drone or two. Or something else.
Looks like a scab stash. You may check and stake it out by putting a beacon. Perfect. Now this place will be easy to find, and our share of profits will be wired to the account as soon as the salvage drones bring it back.
Let's go. Come on, vamos.
Attention! Grenade! Mission objective is updated.
This is our loot. ¿No entiendes? We ain't giving it to you.
Good shooting!
Dispara.
Danger! Enemy sniper found. Grenade! Protection is activated. Vital signs are normalized.
Perdido here. Guys, whoever decides to go a Los Depositas, look for the 3 Gafos. Anyhow, stick to the paths. Signs are there for a reason. Las señales too. Don't just go into the wild, por favor. I have better things to do except than saving your asses.
Resist.
Attention! Grenades! One enemy left.
Haven't been out here in a long time. Jesus. You're too young to remember activation day.
No, suck my dick! I shit on your families, you mama huevo mama vergas! Fuck me! You're available people! Where the fuck have you been? On a fucking nature walk! Fucking die, you with the puta me riposan! Wanna dance with that fucking Mendoza? You cocksucking cabeza de huevo!
No hay balas. Dispara.
I'm gonna fuck you in every hole! You pajo trogaletic fucks! No! My backpack! My fucking backpack!
Good shooting!
Hey, Zero.
Grenade!
Something for you.
Health is restored.
I'm almost there. Looks like the fight here distracted the scabs.
One down. Good.
Enemy sniper located.
And stay down. Fuck! It's a Goliath. Let's do our job. Oh, need heavy weapons for that. Go for its engines.
Dangerous proximity. Vital signs unauthorized. Activating protection protocol. Health is restored. Displaying the actual goal.
Fuck! It's a Goliath. Let's do our job. Need heavy weapons for that. Go for its engines.
Collision has activating protection protocol. Health is restored. The system has been successfully rebooted.
Senorita Mendoza.
Vital
you
signs
all
are
right?
normalized.
Well, thank fuck for the geriatric cavalry. What was the holdup, Grandpa? Madre de Dios. How do I get that backpack now?
Senorita, how did you happen to fly over the war zone?
I'm on a vital diplomatic mission to Los Nidos. You and the rest of the Keystone Cops here can take me there as quick as you can fucking manage. Please and thank you.
Los Nidos? Listen, the contract was to extract you back to Nuevo Caracas, not to go on some suicide mission.
Do you know who my father is?
Yes, I do. But does your father know where you are?
Of course he does.
Great. Shall we give him a call then, Your Highness? Either you come back with us, or we can cancel the contract right here and leave you to do a deal with the next band of scavs that comes along. Your call.
Fine. Fuck you. Fine. But first I need to go get my backpack. Get your fucking hand off me! This jacket is worth more than your fucking two-bit company.
Lady, you are not wandering off into the jungle.
Okay, look. I really need that backpack. I'll make it worth your while. 10% spot bonus.
20.
Fuck you.
Have it your way. All right. We're leaving.
Fine. Fine. 20.
Deal. My guys will go get your damn backpack. But you're coming to the evac side with me. Now.